Hello and welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to plot a histogram in Python. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you'd like to represent a certain data distribution that is in the form of groups, and you'd like to do that using a histogram, which is actually perfect for describing a data distribution. So I'll be showing you how to plot a histogram in Python today. Check out the video description as I will try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. I'm just going to zoom in a bit so the code is easier to see. So the first thing we need is our data set, which I'm going to put in the form of a list. So this is my data called X. And the next thing we're going to need is a list of the groups essentially. So I'm going to let that be B, and I'm going to start from 0 to 5. So that's going to be my first group. And then from 5 to 10 is my second group, to 15, and 15 to 20 will be my next group, and that's all of my groups. And I forgot to do this, but make sure that you import pyplot from matplotlib, and I'm just importing that as plt. Wait, so now we're going to use pyplot from matplotlib, and I'm just going to say plt dot hist, which is the histogram function in matplotlib. And now the first thing is your data that you're plotting, which is X. And next I'm going to say bins equals to B. So my bins are basically the groups of my data, which I defined here as B. And I'm just going to say plt.show to show this. And if I run my code, as you can see, I get a histogram which accurately represents the data distribution of my dataset X. And yeah, that's basically it. You can obviously customize it to have a title using plt title. And yeah, that's basically it, you guys. If you wanted to know how to plot a histogram in Python, this is the easiest way I know how. And if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.